Let's see how to use the Immersive Reader in Microsoft Teams. Start by opening a chat or post in a Teams channel that you want to read. Hover over the message and then click the three dots or more options icon, and then select Immersive Reader from the drop-down menu. You'll now be in the Immersive Reader view, where the text is displayed in a clean, distraction-free format. And there are a bunch of handy features to try, like the read aloud, where you can click the play button to have the text read aloud. You can also click on the text preferences, where you can adjust the text size, font, and spacing to your liking, the grammar options, and reading preferences. When you're done, just click the back arrow to return to the regular chat or post view. And that's how to use Immersive Reader in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!